Legal research used to take 3 coffees and 2 digests. Now it's 1 prompt and a pause. I mean, do not get me wrong, I love the smell of law books. But I also love finding the proper case in 8 seconds a bit more. Welcome to 99 Rights Online, where we turn case law into cheat codes. We break it down fast, clear, and meme-worthy, so you can pass the test and survive the system. Today we're breaking down how legal research went from dusty law books to AI-powered speed. Back in the day, law interns had stronger biceps than brains, because they spent hours lugging digests and flipping through Shepardize books. Now, you can type a natural language question, and AI instantly pulls relevant cases, statutes, and commentary in seconds. The fundamentals haven't changed. You still need to define the issue, break it into legal concepts like negligence, duty of care, or proximate cause, and identify the jurisdiction. What's changed is the speed and efficiency of getting to the right sources. So, how do you approach legal research? Great question. First, clearly define the issue at hand. Then, break it down into the relevant legal concepts, such as negligence, duty of care, or proximate cause. Then, identify the proper jurisdiction to ensure your research is accurate and applicable. Decide if you're chasing cases, statutes, or secondary sources. Next, start broad. On Westlaw, hit practical law or treatises. On Lexis, use practice advisor or law reviews. These give you context and citations to the real law. Then dive into primary sources. Westlaw's headnotes or Lexis's topic summaries let you jump case to case. And don't forget, validate everything. Westlaw's KeyCite or Lexis's Shepardize keeps you from citing bad law. Here's the game changer. Westlaw's deep research builds multi-step plans and flags weak citations. Lexis plus AI's protege drafts motions, contracts, even deposition questions. Both can summarize documents, analyze contracts, and create timelines. Back in the day, interns spent hours flipping through digests and Shepardize books. Now, you ask a natural language question, and AI pulls cases, statutes, and commentary in seconds. But remember, it is essential to understand where the information came from, and always double-check your sources. So here's the bottom line. AI makes research conversational, but your judgment and ethics still do the heavy lifting. Start with secondary sources, move to primary law, validate everything, and let AI speed you up. Use it honestly. Remember, AI can concoct confident fiction faster than a law student invents an excuse for a late brief. The ethical responsibilities fall squarely on the user. Verify outputs, cite only what you confirm, and never outsource professional judgment to a chatbot. Protect client confidentiality. Only run client data through reputable, secure, and vendor-approved tools with clear privacy and retention policies. If the AI starts telling a story, stop, double-check, and correct it before it becomes part of your work product. Do the work, own the conclusion, and let AI be the fast coffee maker, not the lawyer you want to be. So that's how you research like a pro in 2025 and beyond. Thanks for watching. If this breakdown made the law feel a little less intimidating and a lot more powerful, don't scroll away just yet. Like, subscribe, and share to keep your rights sharp and your feed spicy. Because justice isn't just for lawyers, it's for everyone. This was 99 Rights Online, where law gets loud, clear, and viral. Subscribe for justice that hits different.